Hello YouTube and everybody, we are running a Flutter application here and you can see my emulator here. So this is a scrollable data. Actually it's coming from the server. I am developing a login authentication application. So I wanted to show you a fix for an error here. So if I click get started, you can see my login screen is coming, right? So the moment I put my email, you can see there's an error which is coming, a RenderFlex overflow. This is because the viewport has overflowed. So I am going to give you a quick fix for that. So how do we do the quick fix? This screen which we are seeing here is responsible for sign in dot dot. So if I close this one, the error, I come to the column which is the main column. This column, you see, let me close this column. This column is defined here. So take the major column, or it could be a stack, and then you wrap it with a widget which is called single child scroll view widget. So once you save that, and let me clear the console and restart. Yes, everything is clear. Get started. Email. The keyboard comes up. But now you can see qqq@c.com. I am able to type it, right? And I am able to scroll it. And if I don't want the keyboard, I press it off and then the screen becomes normal. And then I am going to type the password. Again the keyboard comes in, but now you can notice that there is no error, right? Because we have used this golden widget which is called single child scroll view. That is our lifesaver for this type of errors. So I go back to the screen, get started again. I type my email. There's no problem. I'm able to scroll. I close the keyboard. I'm able to go back to my main screen without any issues. So this is a quick fix that I came across through the internet and I wanted to share with you. So please subscribe my channel and like it and show your support to my channel. Thank you very much, guys. See you in next episode.